If you are building a side project, then try to make it digital first side project, because 2023 is probably the best year to start a side project. Earlier, when you used to get an idea and just desired to start a business, there were so many complications in offline market. You had storage issues, you had logistics issues, expensive rents, distribution network, market connections, admin tasks, supporting hands that you would require, and so many things, so many challenges to just start one business that you don't even know would work or not. But just because everything is online now, and if you build a side project that is digital first, you won't require any storage unless it's a big e-commerce site, or logistics even start with rupees 20 or probably cheaper depending on what exactly the product is. Then rent is almost negligible if you start working from home. Distribution network, you just need to focus on emails and socials initially. Then even for market connections, you are just a DM away from anyone in the market. Admin tasks are almost negligible unless the business starts growing from your side. And then finally, supporting hands, you can use any SaaS product or any tools that are available in the market and just start working on your side projects. Today's action item for you: if you are starting a side project, try to make it digital first.